Welshman Ncube made some pretty bold claims about Nelson Chamisa's leadership recently. Apparently he's the one causing most of the chaos that he once claimed was being made by Zunu PF and the CCC. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS. According to Welshman Ncube, a CCC member, Chamisa led the party through runners without accountability, holding multiple key leadership positions and making unilateral decisions. This type of governance, Ncube alleged, bordered on autocratic. These actions have caused the CCC to fracture into various factions. Ncube himself, along with Jameson Timba, Sengezo Chabangu, and the Blue Movement, are now leading different splinter groups. The lack of a clear, structured leadership under Chamisa's tenure has left the party in disarray. Chamisa's departure has significant implications. His leadership style, while charismatic, was also controversial. With him stepping away, the CCC faces a critical period of reorganization and potential realignment. But what does this mean for the average Zimbabwean? Chamisa has promised to keep citizens updated on his next steps, urging them to support fresh politics and genuine, credible leaders. However, his history of arrests and political persecution raises questions about the feasibility of his future endeavors. Let's not forget, Chamisa has faced severe challenges in his political career. In 2007, he was brutally attacked and left for dead, an assault widely blamed on ruling party thugs. Yet he persevered and continued his fight for democracy and change in Zimbabwe. So what's next for the CCC? The party needs to establish a clear, accountable leadership structure to regain the trust of its members and the public. This restructuring could either strengthen the party or further divide it, depending on how these factions navigate the post-Chamisa era. For Chamisa, his focus remains on Zimbabwe's future. He's called for citizens to rally behind new, genuine leaders. Whether he will form a new political movement or join forces with other opposition leaders remains to be seen. In conclusion, Nelson Chamisa's departure from CCC marks a significant shift in Zimbabwean politics. The coming months will be crucial in determining the future direction of both Chamisa and the CCC. I'll keep you posted on any new developments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Stay informed, stay engaged. Until next time.